Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add friends in Minecraft easily. Open Minecraft and make sure you are signed in with your Microsoft account. Go to the play button on the main screen, then click on the social tab. Tap on Search People. After typing the name, click Add Friend or Send Friend Request. And that's it! That's how you can add friends in Minecraft and play together easily.